how to create account on OKX Wallet self-custodial Web3 app tutorial. Now we're not talking about the exchange account, we're talking about the Web3 app wallet. So inside OKX app there are two types of interface. One is exchange and the other is wallet. So we're trying to learn to create the account for this wallet section instead. So you select the wallet tab. If you have not yet created a wallet, you can select that, then tap on add wallet, then tap on create a new seed phrase wallet and simply verify with your fingerprint once. Then once you've done that, you'll simply be able to create a new wallet and then basically back them up to Google Drive or have a manual backup. So this is simply the way to create, let's say, just your Web3 app wallet in this case. So not the let's say not the OKX wallet but the Web3 app wallet. Then here you have to create a password just in case sometimes you forget it and you want to restore it. You can create a password, then tap on the confirm backup option. This way you'll be able to create an account on OKX wallet for the Web3 app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.